Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sarita. Today we will see how to make this flower earring. So as you can see, the earring and including the ear hook is handmade. So I hope you will like this tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video and share with your friends. So let's go and watch the tutorial. So these are the items we need. We need 16 gauge wire. You can also go for 18 gauge. That will also do. 7-inch 2-piece and 3-inch 2-piece for the ear hook. This is 22 gauge wire, 2 pearls, and this is a mandrel. It's a pen I'm using for the making ear hook. First let's make the flower portion. So I'm taking 7-inch wire. Bend the wire such that both the side wire is of same length. Place the wire below the mandrel. So I'm taking around 15 mm size. I'm placing near size 10 in the mandrel. Bring both the wires in the opposite direction and twist it around. You can use round nose plier if you want. First I'm wrapping with one wire and the other one will follow the first wire. So back to back we wrap it around 2-3 rounds. How much ever big flower you want to make, you can make. So now we can remove from the mandrel and secure the edges. So it has to go below the wire and you can make 2 wrapping there. I think 18 gauge would be a better choice. It's easy to bend, but I'm not having 18 gauge wire in copper right now. This wire is really hard. So cut off the excess. Now we will cut in the middle and make loops on both the sides. For one side we are going to join the pearl and the other side ear hook. So cut off the excess wire and keep as much ever required for making a loop. So now the flower is ready. We take around 5-inch 22 gauge wire. So take the pearl in, take a small portion around 1.5 inch and use it for wrapping it. So around 4-5 wraps you can do it. So now use the same wire and bring from the loop and make a twisted knot. Bring closer to the wrapping you have made, and we don't need much wire there. I just want the pearl should be hanging below the flower, so don't keep much space. Make around 4-5 wraps and cut the excess wire. So the earring component is done. Make similarly the other earring. So have both made. Now we will see how to make the ear hook with the wire. So I'm taking 3-inch wire. So leaving around 3/4 inch, I'm wrapping it we only need to make a loop there after the wrapping. So need around 8 to 10 wraps. This is just to give a look of the ear hook. You can also skip it if you don't need. So once you make the loop, on the other side bend a little, 90-degree it should look. Now I am using this pen for making the curve. So give some shape to the ear hook. And you can cut off the excess wire and rub the ends with the help of flat nose plier so that the edges are not sharp. Just give a bend. So we have the ear hook done. So make the other ear hook as well. So you can make your own ear hooks if you have shortage of ear hooks in any wire. I'm just measuring that both should be of same length. So we have our hook ready. So now we just have to add to the earring component. So that's it. We are done with the earring. Please let me know in the comment section if you like the earring. Thanks for watching.